Good day, folks. Brian here, Geomagnetic Earth Watch on Saturday, January 14, 2028 on our planet. This is an earthquake advisement for the outskirts of Jakarta, Indonesia. There is an intermediate depth, deep earthquake magnitude 4.8. At 132 kilometers deep. This is 20 kilometers from my family in Tangerang. Sister-in-law, Nia. So, earthquake alert for West Java, Indonesia. We normally do not have earthquakes in this area. Now, this earthquake is in line for recent heat activity coming up through the Java Sea, starting here. It then worked its way this way. Then we had indications here. The heat migrated to here, and then to here. This would suggest to me the migration of magma. This started the day of or the day after the 7.6 earthquake in the Banda Sea, working in this direction. And now we have an earthquake at intermediate depth, 4.8 magnitude at 130 kilometers deep. Right here on the outskirts of Jakarta and Tangerang. So let's please be on watch, Western Java. And let's hope that this progression of whatever is flowing through from here, then here, then it was here, then our heat moved to here. Let's hope it continues out of West Java and into Anak Krakatau. Anyway, earthquake advisement, Western Java, Indonesia. Possibility of a secondary, slightly larger earthquake in this region, Indonesia. So, Eanes, if you're catching this, maybe you can pass it along. Eanes or Eanes, sorry, I don't know which way to pronounce your name. I'll send you a message. Anything further develops, of course, you'll get it here first.